Welcome to the Hero Project.
What would the hero of your life's movie do right now? Do that!
The word hero in its Latin root means servo. Servo means servant. Why they're the hero is become the ultimate servant to something larger than himself.
The hero is the person who goes out, slays the dragon, gets the gold, brings it back to the community, and distributes it.
I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. But here's what I know. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
There is a time in every man's education when he arrives at the conviction that envy is ignorance, that imitation is suicide, that he must take himself for better for worse as his portion, that though the wide universe is full of good, no kernel of nourishing corn can come to him but through his toil bestowed on that plot of ground which is given him to till. The power which resides in him is new in nature, and none but he knows what that is which he can do, nor does he know until he has tried. This Emerson quote expresses the very first attribute of a hero perfectly, which is authenticity. This is your life. You are unique in nature. No thing has ever been exactly like you, and no thing will ever be exactly like you again. This is an insanely fortuitous occurrence that also comes along with great responsibility.